Hey realtors, how many leads do you trash every day because a listing expires or a seller doesn't have enough equity to sell? 5, 10, 15 leads you throw in the trash week after week because they won't work for you? Well, let me ask you a very simple question. If I could turn those trash leads into cash in your pocket, would that interest you? I work with realtors just like you that used to throw out those useless, low equity or expired listing leads, but they don't do that anymore because they work with me now, and I turn their trash into cash. You see, I specialize in buying property subject to the existing loan or filling them through lease options, and I'm able to turn realtor dead leads into cash deals by buying and taking deeds subject to or filling properties through lease options. So if you'd like me to put cash in your pocket instead of trashing those dead leads, contact me so I can tell you a little bit about my program and help you to get making money and even lost deals. My goal is to get you making money on every deal. So stop trashing those prospects you work so hard to get and let me turn them into cash. You can thank me later.